Hey everyone, this is the Eron Bench Vise that was in my dad's workshop at the time that it burned down. As you can see, it looks like it's been through hell, and it pretty much has. It got basically scorched in about a 2000 degree fire. But you know what? This whole thing still works. I'm keeping the singed patina on it because I just rather like the way it looks. All it took to free this thing up was some penetrating oil. Works pretty much like it always has. I probably need to give it a little bit more grease, but you can see it around the side here and the back. Here's the writing on the side of it. You can see the Eron and the number 100 there. As far as I know, that's a pretty common model of this vise. Here's another shot of it. And this does work, like I said. Everything works as it should. There's absolutely no malfunction in it at all. All it took was a little bit of penetrating oil to get this thing back to functionality after its ordeal. Pretty amazing. It shows the durability of an item like this. At any rate, I'm going to close out this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old relic from our old workshop. Thank you for watching this video, and we will have more to come, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.